Hi listeners with a new podcast. I am your host Imran Rasheed Khan. The United States has allocated a grant of $500,000 to promote the English language in Pakistan and teach English to young transgenders. According to US media reports, this grant allocated by the Biden administration will also be provided for programs that are especially young transgender. Will help teach the English language. The $500,000 grant is aimed at improving the English of young people in Pakistan so that they can play a better role globally and benefit them professionally, the State Department said. According to the report, the State Department has set 3 main objectives for this grant, including English. Teachers who are not affiliated with important or major institutions of the country or those teachers who have recently started the teaching process. Professional training of transgenes is also part of the program. Along with this, Afghan teachers, students and young professionals in Pakistan will also be able to benefit from this program. Under this program, applications for grants ranging from $25,000 to $75,000 will be approved for transgenders aged 13 to 5, proposals for professional development courses. So dear listeners, we'll meet again with new news in a new podcast. Until then, be in the God's protection. Goodbye.